just a quick unbox of things I just bought today. There's a launch of new design. I was invited by a friend who worked in a magazine to attend this launch at Tod'S, the launch of their new design. So Tod'S is one of her clients, and they just have to extend the invitation, and since I have a meeting with a PR agency at the same area, I just dropped by, and this is what happened. Okay, so this is what I bought, and this is the free gifts. I think because of the launch event, they give you free gifts. I was told it's chocolate, so we'll have a look at that later. So now let's look at what I've bought first. Okay, they tie their ribbons here, which is nice. They try to make it premium, but you know, Tod'S brand is not as prestigious and popular as, for example, Chanel. Okay, this is the box. The box. This is the box of the item I bought. It's a pair of shoes. They try to sell me the bags. They try to promote the bags, but I have so many Chanel, YSL, LV, right? So I don't think Tod'S brand is something that I like. So they gave this pouch. I think it's for you to store the shoes. And then this is what I bought. I already tried. They took it out for me to try, but I think they just pack it back. It's not like 100% new and not worn before, though the packaging looks like that's how it is, but I already took out and tried the whole pair. They just pack it back. So this is what I bought. Yeah, it's their latest design. It's nice, but when you have to pay for $930 for a pair of shoes, you want people to know what brand you wear. I don't think people recognize this brand. Not many people know Tod'S well, and Tod'S is not a popular brand. For $930, you can also buy Chanel. What do you call that? What was the name of the shoes? It's is it fisherman shoes or something like that? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this is what I bought. I'll show the pictures of how it looks on my feet at the end of the video. Okay, now let's look at the free gifts. So the free gifts, they tie the ribbon as well. That's nice gesture. I like people put in effort in their packaging. So this is a nice envelope, glossy shimmery envelope. More ribbons. And what do we have inside? Okay, that's nice packaging. Oh, it's just a few pieces of chocolate. Nice packaging, but this is what inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chocolate. That's all. Nice packaging. Nice packaging. You know, nice packaging. 5 pieces of chocolate. And $930 of shoes. Here's how it looks when you put it on. It's quite comfortable because it's full leather anyway, but I'm not sure whether will it be easy to clean once it's got dirty. So we need to Google search and find out. Okay, that's it.